Hey Wade, my name is Brandon from Sublime SEO Pro, and in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 techniques and some tricks on how you can start outranking your top competitors in your local market. Because when you type in HVAC services in Colorado Springs, we've got here's the front page of Google. 30% of online business generally comes from this spot right here, and 70% comes from these organic listings oftentimes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare SoCo heating and cooling. I'm not going to use Yelp or Angie's List because that's a different conversation. But I'm going to compare the SoCo heating and cooling and what their website's doing and show you why it's performing so well, and give you some techniques and tricks on how to implement things that they're doing in order to start outranking some of your competitors out there. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I'm sending this to you in the first place. And what I'm doing is I'm just sending out an attack plan for local small businesses. A lot of people don't feel like SEO is, I should put it this way. A lot of people have paid for these services in the past and they feel like they don't know what's going on, and that a lot of the times it might not be working for them. So I'm just trying to show that you can do this properly, and there's a good way to do this and a bad way to do this. And the way I like to do it is just take what your top competitors are doing and do it better, pretty much. I kind of say I like to call it the copycat method. And there's really, really good ways that you can get this done. And I just kind of want to show you how you can do that. So without me taking too much of your time, let me get into it. So I want to talk to you about content. So here's your site. The number one thing that Google cares about is content. And so the average homepage on Google has about 1,500 words on it. So that's what Google's looking for. And if you can hit 1,500 words on your homepage, that'll be a good start and somewhere that you can improve upon. So that's where I would start, is to get at least 1,500 words on your homepage. And then obviously what makes up the content is more important than just the number of words. So we want to be placing what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your entire website. So these are keywords that people are commonly typing into Google when they're searching for your services. So for example, HVAC services in Colorado Springs or AC repair in Colorado Springs. These are words that take a lot of research to figure out which words to use. And you need to be able to fit those into your website so that Google picks you up when people are typing those in. Okay, so what I've done is I've pulled up your website here, and here are some analytics behind your site. This is a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and it shows that you guys have 62 keywords on your website, and it's helping generate about 10 people to your site per month. Okay, so there's some room for improvement there. And what I'm going to do is show you where SoCo Heating and Cooling is at and what their site looks like. So here's their site. Looks pretty good, just like your guys's, but here's an overview of their site. So they have 766 keywords, and they're gaining about 1,700 people per month to their website. So as you can see, it's pretty big change in keywords, and it's all about the content. They're getting a lot more content with buyer intent keywords, and it's helping generate more revenue for them. So that's the first thing you want to focus on. The second thing you want to focus on are what we call backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere that, or any website that links back to your website that drives traffic to you. That's called a backlink. Okay, so these can come in all different shapes and forms, and quality is much better than quality. So again, what you need to do is go to your top performers website and figure out what they're doing. So you've got 60 links coming from 17 domains. They've got 306 backlinks coming from 92 domains. So they've done the hard work for you. You just need to go through here and figure out which ones of these are quality backlinks and add yourself to the same ones and link your website back to you. That would be considered a backlink. So ultimately, you need to add more content with more keywords, and we need to start adding backlinks into your website, because that's what powers the site. That's what powers you being found, essentially. It gives power to these keywords. Okay. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about was how to get into this map pack. These 3 slots right here, ideally you would like to be in. And the most important thing when it comes to this is, see, it's not necessarily the number of 5-star reviews, because these, this company doesn't have as many as this company. It's the number of citations. So you need to add yourself to as many directories as possible. That's what a citation is. It's anywhere you can put your business name, address, and phone number into a directory. And so you need to figure out how many citations Comfort by Design has and add yourself to more. If they have 200, get yourself into 250 or 300. And that way you can beat them in citations, and then we can start beating your competitors with keywords as well as backlinks. So if you can do those 3 things, you will be well on your way to gaining a lot more views and traffic, which, directly correlate into calls and booked appointments and closed deals. Okay, if you have any feedback or any questions on this stuff, I'd love to be a resource for you. And I really appreciate your time. And I hope that you found this valuable. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.